Today is the official launch of Liquishine, and I'm really excited to show you guys how it works, and then later on I'll be seeing if someone else here at the campground wants to give it a try. So if you know anything about Liquified, you might have heard about Liquishine. It is a exterior RV cleaner. This right here is the wash and wax from Liquishine, and it's what we're going to be testing out today. Liquishine has 4 cleaners total. They have the wash and wax, a bug and tar remover, a roof cleaner, and then a black streak remover. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there is something special going on with Liquishine if you purchase it before 11 p.m. February 16th. I'm just gonna go ahead and start by cleaning the outside of my RV. Now, there is black streaks here, there's dirt, there's dust all over the side of it, all sorts of dirty stuff stuck to the side of the RV, but we're gonna see how well the wash and wax works. I am amazed at how well this comes clean. I mean, one squirt of this and it's good to go. And what's great is that it works really well on these decals. So up next to our door, you can see right here, there's all sorts of just really dirty looking stuff. So, I mean, take a look at that. Let's give the wash and wax a good spray. Let's see if we can get it with one wipe. I mean, look at that. Now, that all comes clean. Literally, like every bit of it. Super clean, and what's great is that it's a wax too, so the side of the camper is nice and smooth now, and no matter what you do, won't leave fingerprints, which this is a fiberglass exterior, so we'll see if someone else later wants to test it out on their motorhome who, you know, has full body paint, where fingerprints can be very visible after you touch it. So you just saw where I cleaned next to the door and how well that came off just instantly with the Liquishine. Well, now I have a paper towel and water, and I want to see how well that same spot comes off without Liquishine. I mean, this spot right here, I'm scrubbing, and I mean, it won't come off. Right there. Let's grab the Liquishine. All right. Wow, just like that, it's gone. Now the front cap is a different material than the side wall, so let's see how well the wash and wax works on the aluminum. Everything definitely comes pretty clean off the front as far as like all the stuff and the bugs that get stuck up on the front, but the bug remover would be a lot better than just the wash and wax, but the wash and wax seems to, for the most part, take care of the bugs. Now our window frames have definitely gotten quite dirty, and it's hard to find something that really cleans this rubber. I mean, you can wipe it off, but there's still stuff that's just stuck on there. So give this a try, a couple squirts, wipe. Oh wow, that comes off really nicely. You can see the stuff that's pretty much just stuck on there, but it's coming off. I mean, check out how dirty this is. Spray it on, and just like that, it's come clean. I'm definitely really impressed with it. Even if you have stuff stuck on your windows, like around the edges, give it a quick cleaning. I absolutely love this Liquishine. It works really well. It cleans the outside of the camper. It does a great job, but I really love the wax part of it to where it keeps the exterior smooth, and it just keeps fingerprints and more stuff from building up on it quicker than, you know, just washing it with some water. So I like that part of it. But if you guys aren't convinced yet that I love it, we should go see if someone else loves it, which I actually ran into one of my followers who's staying at the same campground, and I'm gonna go see if they wanna give Liquishine a try. So now that we know that the new Liquishine wash and wax works so well, I'm gonna see if another RVer here at the campground wants to give it a try. I actually met an RVer who's one of my followers, and they happen to be staying at the same campground, so I'm gonna come see if they wanna try it out.
Hello,
Hi, who are you?
I'm Randy.
So you've been following my channel for a while.
Yes.
You're excited about Liquishine. It hasn't come out yet. And so today I'm actually gonna let another RVer give it a try. So
Right.
let's do it. So right here I have the bottle, and I'm gonna let Randy give it a try on his RV. It's definitely pretty dirty. You can see all of the dirt, but it's simple. You just spray it on, just like that. only a couple squirts, and then you take a microfiber cloth and you just wash it. Just get it all nice and dry, and you'll notice how clean it already is. So this right here, you can tell how dirty and then how clean it is now. And then
Wow.
even stuff like this, you know, if you have anything that needs to be scraped off, whatever, it will take it off.
You can definitely see the difference between the lines.
What's really nice though about it is that afterwards, if you rub your hand on it,
It's smooth.
yes, and you won't see fingerprints.
Correct.
So what do you think?
Great.
So Randy, what is one part of your RV that you always find to be the hardest task when it comes to cleaning?
It is the bumpers and the front of it.
Well, let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try on the bumper here.
It's a pretty simple process though. I mean, you just spray it and it takes care of all the work. And if there's any sort of spots that you just scrub real hard and it usually will come off.
Yep.
Yeah, that's actually working
Scrub
really
it
well.
off. Nice and shiny.
And
Okay.
it's also a wax. So now on chrome, give it a fingerprint test.
No streaks.
No streaks. That's amazing. Pretty cool.
And what about the front here where you get your bugs on the front of your RV?
Give it a try.
Yep. It's getting off those bugs off the front.
But they also have a bug remover, so it's pretty impressive that the wax and wash will also take them off. So right here, there's quite a bit of oils from the diesel spill that's, you know, when they fill up their motorhome, it drips down the side. So Randy's gonna give it a quick try with the wash and wax, see how well it cleans off.
Yep, with
Wow.
a little effort, it's removed the diesel fuel
And
from.
what's neat though is this is a wash and wax, so because of it being wax, it might just bead off next time. So as you can see, Randy just put some water on the side of the motorhome and I mean, it just beaded right off. So what else happened besides the diesel spill?
So whenever you go to these trucker pumps, you have to fill up with DEF. And a lot of times you fill up with DEF, it sprays back. When DEF sprays back, this is what we get. We get this white stuff all over the place, and it's bad for the paint job.
Is it pretty tough to clean sometimes?
Yes, it is.
All right.
So let's see if the wash and wax will remove. And oh my gosh,
Pretty impressive.
it's removing the DEF, which when you normally hose it down with a hose, it does not wash off. So it's removed it.
And what's great is that it comes in this bottle that's super easy to just carry with you. So you don't have to worry about getting a hose out and scrubbing for hours. But what's important though is getting it off your paint because it will damage it.
Look, it even did the metal step.
So that's great. It works on multiple different types of materials. Now, do you notice how easy it is to hold it and how comfortable it is?
Yes.
That's something they definitely worked really hard on getting it perfect, not just using any generic bottle.
Yeah, that long neck handle really helps out. Definitely worth making it easier.
Now they also have a black streak remover, which is really great, but the wash and wax does a pretty good job. So as you can see here, right underneath of Randy's window, there's so many streaks. Give it a try.
Oh my. That is so hard to remove in the past. That is easy. What about on the black fixtures? Does it work on that?
Let's give it a try. It definitely worked on the paint and on the metals. Well, me and Randy are definitely testing out all different, surfaces and conditions on their RV. And we're about to try some diesel soot.
So the diesel generator here always creates this diesel soot on this door. It's always a pain to clean. So I'd like to give the wash and wax a try on this soot. Oh,
Wow, look at
look,
that.
look how white it
before.
is.
Look at that before and after.
It's white as can be.
And hopefully that will stay pretty clean for a while.
Now that I've got it off, I cannot see my fingerprint. It's taken off my fingerprints.
Very nice. Well, Randy, I'm so glad I was able to share Liquishine with you, and I'm sure you're really excited to get it as soon as it starts shipping and start using it out on the road.
Yep.
Well, Randy, you definitely like Liquishine, it seems like.
Yes.
Were you able to get into the Founders Club?
No.
No? Well, guess what? There is something special happening. Now that you've heard my thoughts on Liquishine as well as another RVer's thoughts on Liquishine, there's something really special going on. If you weren't able to get entered into the giveaway for the free cruise whenever they had the Founders Club, now's your chance, because anyone that buys Liquishine by 11 p.m. on February 16th, so by the end of tonight, if you're watching this as soon as it comes out, you will be entered in for the free cruise. So make sure you go get stocked up on Liquishine, get entered into the cruise, so you can have a nice, clean RV on the road. Oh, and while you're getting Liquishine, make sure you use discount code RVTalk15 to save 15% off. All right, thanks so much for watching. Congrats to Liquified for launching their new product, Liquishine, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do and other RVers here.